Hi guys, today we will learn how to add a rain effect in our image using noise and level. So here we can start. So it's our image. First create a new layer and then make sure your background color is black. Now press Alt and backspace. Now go to filter and add noise. I can use its mount 105 and make sure its distribution is uniform and monochromatic is checked. Then press OK. Now again go to filter, blur. I can add a motion blur in my image and its angle is -59 and distance 200. Then press OK. Now select its layer blending mode to screen. Now I can add its level. Make a clipping mask by pressing Alt and right click. Now adjust its levels. As you can see, our rain effect in our image